Hi babes, what's good? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your fave. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a wig install. As you can tell by this wonderful, gorgeous, this wig is from Alipearl and it's their 14-inch bob body wave HD lace frontal wig. That was a lot to say. I had to memorize that. But anyway, this is a 14-inch body wave wig and the only thing I did to this wig is bleach the knots. That being said, thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. So here's the wig. Like I said before, it's a 14-inch body wave bob wig. It came in a more curly texture, but of course because I had to wash the wig, it came with a lot of goodies as well. An edge brush for like your edges, some lashes, set of wig caps, and lastly it came with a sash. You can also use this for your edges. They actually sent me this wig with a large wig cap size, but it still doesn't fit my head. We're gonna try to make it work regardless. Because the cap is a lot lighter than my skin, I'm gonna go with some foundation and we are going to fix it. Now I'm just gonna apply some foundation on my wig as well. So now we have the wig on, and when I say the wig is small, this is basically what I mean. And if I decide to glue the lace down right here, this part is all the way in the back, so like it's having issues actually staying both sides. So we're gonna kind of have to manipulate and just work with that. It's covering a bit of my ears, so we are going to cut that out. I'm going with the ghost bond glue and I'm just gonna put that all over my hairline, and hopefully I don't glue my edges because my edges are precious to me. Thankfully, I don't have a full face of makeup on. I just have concealer in my problem areas. So I have my very first coat on right now and we're just gonna let that dry out.
A few moments later.
I feel like the first coat is dry. You can still see a little bit, but I feel like it's dry for the most part. So we're gonna go for the second coat right now. We're gonna let this dry as well before we put our lace onto the line. I let my hair sit for a while, and now that I feel like my second coat is also dry, I'm gonna put the lace on now. But I'm gonna be as careful as I possibly can be. While laying it down, I'm like combing into the hair, ensuring that my lace is actually staying on the glue. It's not staying all the way, it's kind of going up, and that's fine. I kind of expected that to happen, but now I'm just gonna go with my elastic and ensure that my wig is laid for a little while longer. Just an elastic band, it doesn't have to be anything special, and take away all the hair, excuse me. I'm also going to go with my hot comb and just ensure that the hair is going to the back. I have kind of done that already before I installed the wig, but I want to do it again just to make sure that once this elastic band is leaving my head, we kind of have something going on. Now I think it's safe to take out the headband, so that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, dang. We kind of got something going on. It's not the best, but it's something. So we are going to take it just like that. I'm just gonna go with my Evan spray to make sure that this is not going anywhere, like I said. I'm gonna start by cutting off the leg, but I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I really can't see what I'm doing and the mirror is so far away. We have the legs cut off right now. I told you guys it's a small wig, so it couldn't go all the way down on both sides. It's kind of just there, but we are going to kind of just cover it out and see what we can do with that. I'm gonna end up with a side part. I'm pretty sure I am. So I think I am good now. I also went with a hot comb and I kind of just ensured that my part was parting. Okay, melt. I'm just gonna do my edges and see what I can make with them. So I have my curling wand and we're going to use this to just get my curls quickly. It's kind of late right now, so I don't have time to actually take my time with the curls, but we're going to get something nice.